Intermission. Today is going to be such a boring episode. We don't even have Dusha or Tama with us. That could change. Usually Brickcar Bruno Productions likes hiding surprises in. Yeah, he died! See what I mean? Yep, I sure do. But, well, hi, Thomas. How's it going? Hi, Thomas, my main train. Yeah, how's it going? Oh, it's going pretty good. I mean, I'm just saying. It's good to see you. It's good to see you after all this time. You will always be my little brother. Alright? Okay? I will never, ever not love you. Thank you, Thomas. You're welcome, Thomas. Is this a marriage? Siblings. They're siblings. We're siblings. We're siblings. Oh! Man, he went so far. Want to play a game, Thomas? Sure, Thomas. It's really weird how we have the same name. I know, Thomas. Can you give me a nickname? Tom? No. Tomo? No. Tombus? Tomosi? Tamos? Tamak? Vakenscheit? Brubba beer? Barishna? Si, senor? I can't think of a nickname. I thought you would have said it. Thomas the Tank Engine. Okay, Thomas the Tank Engine. So, I guess that's my new nickname. Okay. It's weird. I find it weird how I have a lamp, but you don't. Oh. When kids get older, they lose them. That's why none of us have them. Once you get to be my age... Wait, how old are you? Oh, I'm still a kid. Teenager or 11? 11. Okay. When you get to be about 11 years old, you're going to lose that lamp. So, you better love it while I have it. I love my lamp. I'd never want to give it up. There's also surgery that you can do when you're 15 to keep the lamp. 15. If you No. But you can do surgery before you turn 11 years old if you want to keep the lamp. How? Oh, you just gotta go to a hospital and then sign up for the session. Really? Yeah, I think that's all. But if it's not, then what'll happen? Well, actually, no one really knows. But to what people are saying... Wait, I'm being an idiot. What? Anyways, what people are saying is that sometimes it doesn't really work right, and sometimes you can't get it surgery. Really? Yeah. I mean, that's just how it would happen. That's nice. I found that pretty interesting. Okay. Well, you've got a lot to learn, younger brother. And if you don't learn it, you won't become a good human being. Oh, okay. That makes sense. What were they doing? In 9 months, I guess we'll find out.